What has happened in these 50 years that the massive population is sick? BP, thyroid, arthritis, cancer is normal. But do you know, before that, for thousands of years, India was the fittest. Our food, our seeds were the best. We eat well, we slept well, we lived well. Our lifestyle was healthy. Nowadays, the government has made such policies with the capitalists that the population has become sick. The lifestyle have been made stressful. The working hours been made elongated. So you fall sick. You eat fast food. Live fast life. Think about it. Just follow your ancestors. Go back to history. Follow their lifestyle. You'll get the answers. Sam Sadashiv.